Demystifying common mistakes. Affirmative sentences with many, few, some, any, a lot of. Hello, English learners. Today we're delving into the often tricky world of quantifiers in English. Namely, many, few, some, any, a lot of. Our focus for this session is specifically on common mistakes made in affirmative sentences and, most importantly, how to avoid them. Let's get started. Many and few are often misused in affirmative sentences. These words are more commonly used in negative sentences or questions. In affirmative sentences, they can sound quite formal or literary, and often unnatural in everyday conversation. Incorrect. I have many friends. Correct. I have a lot of friends. Similarly, few is also not commonly used in affirmative sentences in everyday English. Incorrect. I have few books. Correct. I don't have many books. The next common mistake involves some and any. Any is typically used in negative sentences or questions, not in affirmative sentences. Incorrect. I have any apples. Correct. I have some apples. Finally, we come to a lot of. This is a very versatile phrase and is generally correctly used. But a common mistake is using it with uncountable nouns in the negative form. Incorrect. I don't have a lot of water. Correct. I don't have much water. And that's a wrap on our discussion about common mistakes in affirmative sentences with many, few, some, any, and a lot of. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep using these words in your conversations and you'll soon find it second nature to avoid these common pitfalls. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!